Anderson Cooper, AC 360, CNN weeknights 10 Eastern.
And Shakira joins me now for the Big 360 interview. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So I've been reading about your visit a little bit. You met with the police chief and the mayor. You know, one of the questions I have not been able to get a good answer to, Shakira, is exactly how this law is going to be implemented. Are you able to answer that question? What did you find out?
Yeah, well, the mayor is very, very worried, as well as the chief of police here, Chief Harris. They're both very worried on the impact that the implementation of this law will have on Latino families, the level of abuse that will be inflicted on Latinos with or without papers. You know, if this law was already in effect today, for example, I could be detained and arrested and taken away because I don't even have my driver's license here. I mean, I'm completely undocumented here today. So
you didn't bring your papers to Arizona?
I didn't. No, seriously.
I mean, that's so you. I mean, literally, this is an important point because that's exactly what people are worried about. You're a well-known person, but people, because of the color of their skin, if they're walking around without their driver's license, without papers, what would happen to them? What are you hearing? What would happen to these people?
Yes, what would happen is that people would be arrested, taken away, taken to jail for up to 6 months in some cases. But that's just scratching the surface of the issue. I just met with some families and women who have been subjected to domestic violence, and they are so concerned, and it's so saddening because they feel that that the government is gonna turn their backs on them. They're gonna live in fear to call the police or to report a crime that has been inflicted to them, or in some other cases, Latinos won't be able to contribute to safety, to the safety of the state of Arizona. They won't be able to call the police and report a crime, for example. But I really couldn't hold the tears when I was hearing these women speak of how concerned they are about their own safety. Women who are themselves trying to protect their kids and their own families from abusers, and now they're going to have to protect themselves from the government, or actually not find the protection they need from the government. So I just want to use my voice as a Latina.
Then they can't even call the police to help them if they have a problem like that.
Exactly.